everyone, welcome back to another sewing tutorial. Today we're working on a chic and timeless design, style 2318. Before we dive into sewing, you'll need the pattern, fabric, zipper, and thread to get started. Start by cutting out your fabric according to the pattern. Don't forget to clip all the necessary markings. These will guide us later on. We'll start by joining the shoulders for both the outer and inner layers. This sets the foundation for your piece, so take your time with this. Iron the seam for a crisp finish. Next, we're attaching the collar to both layers. Sew around the neckline. Give it a light press. And then top stitch it with a 1/4 inch seam on the inner layer to secure it. Now, it's time to attach your label. Place it where you like on the garment for that personalized touch. Place the fabric facing upward, starting at one armhole. Roll the entire bodice, main fabric and lining, toward the other armhole. Flip the lining under the rolled bodice to meet the main fabric bodice. Align the lining and main fabric armholes with right sides together. The rest of the main fabric and lining will be sandwiched between these layers. Pin the armhole to align the edges. Now, it's time to serge the armhole. Make sure not to catch the fabrics inside the roll. Once finished, pull the bodice through the shoulder area to turn it right side out. Repeat the same process on the other armholes. Press the fabric to smooth it out. Finally, we'll top stitch both armholes with a 1/4 inch seam. Next up, let's join the front and back pieces at the sides. Place the side seams with the right seam together and align the side seam of the lining and the main fabric bodice. Then stitch or serge in one go from the lining through to the main fabric bodice. This step pulls the entire garment together. Give the seam a quick press. Now, we'll sew the skirt pieces together to form the bottom half of the garment. First, sew the side seams of the skirt and serge all the raw edges to give the garment a clean and professional finish. Join the side seam, leaving an opening for the zipper. To create that elegant gathered look, we'll stitch along the top of the skirt and gather the fabric. Next, let's attach the top to the skirt. Make sure everything is aligned before you sew. Now it's time to secure the waistline. This step will create a nice, secure fit around the waist, preparing your garment for the final touches. We'll be adding a 1/4 inch elastic band to the waist to give it a snug fit and a comfortable finish. Inside, we'll finish the bottom hem of the top with a neat binding for a polished look. Let's install the zipper next, making sure everything is aligned perfectly. We'll also close off the inner lining for a clean finish. Now we're top stitching the waistline to keep everything secure and looking sharp. Finally, we'll hem the skirt with a rolled edge and a 1/4 inch top stitch to give it that professional finish. Smooth the fabric with an iron. And that's it! Your stylish custom-made dress is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more sewing projects like this one. See you in the next video.